In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency using the Coinbase app. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, quick little disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. To buy, sell, or convert crypto in the Coinbase app, though, what you want to do is actually start off on the home tab right here. And you need to go ahead and hit buy and sell just like so. It's then going to have a little pop-up appear. In this example, we're going to hit buy, but you could also hit sell or convert or even trade with leverage as well. But for the sake of this guide, we're talking about how to buy crypto. You hit buy just like so, scroll down, or just filter to crypto up at the very top and find whatever crypto it is that you want to purchase. You could scroll through the list or you could use the search bar to find it faster. Let's just say it is Bitcoin, for example. Go ahead and select that, and after selecting your asset, enter in the amount that you want to buy in your local currency. So let's say I want to buy $250 worth of Bitcoin for whatever reason. I go ahead and select that and then hit review order, and then of course I could hit buy now whenever I'm ready. Just make sure of course that your payment method down in the very bottom is correct. If everything looks correct, tap buy now again. And you can follow those same basic steps to sell crypto or convert one crypto into another inside the Coinbase app as well. That's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.